It's spring, which means here in the Midwest, we need to tackle the garage. And that is exactly what we're doing on this episode of The Organized Mama Presents Organize with Me. Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama. I'm a family organizing expert that helps you with using tips, tricks, and tutorials the entire family can do. So our garage has gotten completely out of control, and it happens every winter. Things just kind of get crammed in any nook and cranny in our entire garage. And once spring comes, we clean it all out, but like nothing super big because we've set up systems in place to help keep our garage organized. So let's get started on organizing the garage.
This is our current garage. As you can see, we have set some things in place to keep it organized, but there's a little tweaking that we can do to make this space more organized. In order to get your garage clean, first thing you're going to do is remove any excess clutter. That means things that do not belong there. That's step one. Step two, remove everything from spots that are not working and lay them in the middle of your garage floor. When you do this, group like items together. That way you can find a solution for how to store all of your items.
Now take these actionable steps and put them into place in your own garage. Maybe your goal is just to get a car in the garage, or maybe your goal is to actually use that space for another purpose. Whatever it is, make sure you set that goal and you tidy up your space using the tips listed in this video. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.